Welcome to the world of modern travel in 2025, a time when airports are busier than ever, filled with excitement, anticipation, and unfortunately, hidden dangers. Airports are prime locations for scammers who prey on distracted travelers. Whether you're rushing to catch a flight, navigating unfamiliar terminals, or simply trying to relax before departure, it's easy to let your guard down. Today, we're going to explore the most common airport scams you need to know about and how you can avoid falling victim. Let's get started. 1. The bump and run pickpocket. One of the oldest tricks in the book is the bump and run pickpocket. Here's how it works. A stranger accidentally bumps into you in a crowded area like security lines, baggage claim, or boarding gates. While you're distracted by the collision, their accomplice may be slipping your wallet, phone, or passport right out of your pocket or bag. To protect yourself, always keep your valuables in a secure location, preferably in a money belt or an anti-theft bag, and stay alert to anyone invading your personal space. 2. Fake airport staff. Scammers posing as airport employees are becoming increasingly common. They might wear fake lanyards or uniforms and offer unsolicited help with your luggage or directions. Some will direct you to unauthorized taxis or charge exorbitant fees for their assistance. In some cases, they may even steal your belongings outright while pretending to help. Always verify credentials if someone claims to work for the airport, and only use official airport services for taxis and assistance. 3. The broken ATM trap. Imagine this scenario. You're at the airport and need cash. You approach an ATM, but someone nearby tells you it's out of order and directs you to another machine nearby. What they don't tell you is that the second ATM has been tampered with. Perhaps it has a card skimmer installed or a hidden camera recording your PIN. To avoid this scam, only use ATMs located inside secure areas of the airport and cover the keypad when entering your PIN. If an ATM looks suspicious or someone insists on helping you, walk away. 4. Fake Wi-Fi networks. In our hyper-connected world, free Wi-Fi can feel like a lifeline during long layovers, but it can also be a trap. Scammers often set up fake Wi-Fi networks with names like Airport Free Wi-Fi to trick travelers into connecting. Once connected, they can intercept your personal data. Everything from login credentials to credit card numbers. Always confirm the official Wi-Fi network with airport staff and consider using a virtual private network, VPN, for an extra layer of security. 5. Fake security officials. Another alarming scam involves imposters dressed as security personnel or customs officers. They may approach you claiming you've violated some obscure rule, like carrying too much liquid or improperly declaring items, and demand an on-the-spot fine. These scammers rely on intimidation and confusion to get you to pay up quickly without questioning them. If this happens, ask for proper identification and insist on resolving any issues at an official security checkpoint or customs office. 6th, QR code phishing, quishing. QR codes are everywhere these days, from parking kiosks to restaurant menus, but they've also become a tool for scammers. At airports, fake QR codes might be placed over legitimate ones at parking payment stations or information boards. Scanning these codes could lead you to malicious websites designed to steal your personal information or payment details. To stay safe, avoid scanning unfamiliar QR codes and navigate directly to official websites when making payments or accessing information. 7. Taxi scams and overcharges. Transportation from the airport can be another opportunity for scammers to strike. Unlicensed taxi drivers may approach you offering rides at seemingly reasonable rates, only to demand much higher fees once you arrive at your destination. Some may even take unnecessarily long routes or hold your luggage hostage until you pay extra charges. To avoid this scam, always use licensed taxis from official airport stands or reputable rideshare apps like Uber or Lyft. Confirm the fare before starting your journey and keep an eye on the route using GPS. 8. Luggage, swapping scams. Luggage theft isn't always as simple as someone grabbing your bag off the carousel. It can also involve deliberate swaps or tampering with luggage tags. In some cases, scammers might even plant illegal items in bags to implicate innocent travelers later on. To protect yourself, use TSA-approved locks on all checked luggage and consider investing in GPS luggage trackers so you can monitor your bag's location at all times. 9th boarding pass oversharing. In today's social media-driven world, many travelers post pictures of their boarding passes online without realizing how much sensitive information they contain, like booking references and frequent flyer numbers. Scammers can use this information to access your booking details, cancel flights, or even steal frequent flyer miles. Protect yourself by keeping all travel documents private and never sharing photos of them online. 10. Forced purchases at arrivals. Finally, watch out for aggressive vendors near arrivals who might place items like bracelets, necklaces, or other trinkets on you without asking, and then demand payment afterward. This scam is designed to catch you off guard after a long flight when you're tired and less likely to argue. Politely decline any unsolicited offers and walk away if someone tries to pressure you into buying something. Airports are gateways to adventure, but they're also busy, chaotic places where scammers thrive on distraction and confusion. By staying vigilant and following these tips, keeping valuables secure, verifying services before using them, and trusting your instincts, you can lower your risk of falling victim to these traps. Remember, being prepared is your best defense against scams when traveling in 2025. Safe travels, and don't let anyone ruin your journey.